Good morning all. Last days we have studied about first order differential equations and we have find the solution of some separable differential equation and the differential equations which can be transformed into separable differential equation. Today we are going to learn about exact differential equation. It's a new class. A differential equation is said to be exact if it can be derived from its primitive. Primitive means its solution directly by differentiation without any subsequent multiplication, elimination, etc. So this is called exact differential equation. A differential equation m dx plus n dy equal to 0 is exact if dou m by dou y is equal to dou n by dou x. That we have to check. And if a differential equation is exact, we have to find the solution by we integrate the m with respect to x, treating y as a constant, and integrate those terms of n that does not involves x and add these two of these integrated values. This is the solution of the exact differential equation and we have some problems to be solved. So a differential equation is said to be exact if it can be derived from its primitive. Primitive means solution directly by differentiation without any subsequent multiplication, elimination, etc. The differential equation m of xy plus n of xy y dash equal to 0, where m and n are functions of x and y is exact if there exists a function psi of x and y such that m of xy plus n of xy y dash is equal to d by dx of psi of xy. Therefore, we could integrate the right hand side to get the solution. Then the equation 1 becomes d by dx of psi of xy equal to 0 and its solution is integrating that thing. So psi of xy equal to c. We know that d psi by dx of psi xy is equal to dou psi by dou x plus dou psi by dou y into dy by dx. From 2 and 3 we get dou psi by dou x equal to m of xy, dou psi by dou y equal to n of xy. Now we have a theorem. Let the functions m, n, nx and ny are subscription, where subscription denote the partial derivatives, be continuous in the rectangular region R, alpha less than x less than beta, gamma less than y less than delta. Then the differential equation m of xy plus n of xy y dash equal to 0 is an exact differential equation if and only if my of x comma y is equal to nx of x comma y at each point of R. That is, there exists a function psi satisfying psi x of x comma y is equal to m of xy and psi y of xy is equal to n of xy if and only if m and n satisfy my of x comma y is equal to nx of x comma y. That is, this remark is more important. A differential equation m of xy plus n of xy y dash equal to 0 or m dx plus n dy equal to 0 is exact if and only if my of x comma y is equal to nx of x comma y or dou m by dou y is equal to dou n by dou x. To get the solution of an exact equation m dx plus n dy equal to 0, integrate m with respect to x regarding y is a constant, then integrate those terms of n that does not involve x with respect to y. Then the sum of the above two expressions thus obtained equated to a constant is the solution. Now we have four problems in the section. First problem is show that the differential equation 1 plus 4xy plus 2y square dx plus 1 plus 4xy 2x square dy equal to 0 is exact and solve it. So the first problem is 1 plus 4xy plus 2y square dx plus 1 plus 4xy plus 2x square dy equal to 0. Solve the show that the differential equation is exact and hence solve it. So here m is equal to 1 plus 4xy plus 2y square and n is equal to 1 plus 4xy plus 2x square. To show that this differential equation is exact, we have to show that dou m by dou y is equal to dou n by dou x. So we have to find dou m by dou y. So 1 with respect to y, 0, 4xy with respect to y, 4x, 2y square with respect to y, 4y. Now dou n by dou y. Now we have to find dou n by dou x. So this is 1 in derivative of 1 is 0 plus derivative of 4xy with respect to x, 4y, 2x square derivative is 4x. That is dou m by dou y is equal to dou n by dou x. Therefore, given differential equation is exact. Now we have to find the solution. Solution is integral m dx plus integral of terms of n that does not contain x is equal to c. That is integral of m is 1 plus 4xy plus 2y square with respect to x, and integral of the terms of n that does not involve y is that does not involve x is 1 dy is equal to c. That is solution is x plus 4 into integral of x is x square by 2 y, treating y as a constant, 2y square x plus integral of 1 is with respect to y is equal to c. That is x plus 4x square by 2 is 2x square y plus 2y square x plus y is equal to c. Next problem is 2xy plus y minus tan y plus x square minus x tan square y plus sec square y plus 2y dash is equal to 0. Show that the equation is exact and solve it. So here m is equal to 2xy plus y minus tan y, and n is equal to x square minus x tan square y plus sec square y plus 2. Now find dou m by dou y. Dou m by dou y is equal to 2x plus 1 minus derivative of tan y is sec square y. Now find dou n by dou x. Now find dou n by dou x, which is equal to 2x minus tan square y. Partial derivative of sec square y is 0. Partial derivative of 2 is 0. This we could write as 2x minus tan square y is sec square y minus 1, which is equal to 2x minus sec square y plus 1. That is dou m by dou y is equal to dou n by dou x. Therefore, The given differential equation is exact. Now the solution is integrate those terms of m with respect to x and integrate those terms of y that does not contain x with respect to y, or we could write dy is equal to c. That is m is 2xy plus y minus tan y dx plus the terms of y that does not contains x are 6 square y plus 2 is equal to c. So which is equal to 2x, integral of 2x is x square y plus xy minus x tan y. Integral of 6 square y is tan y. This is dy plus 2y is equal to c is the solution. Solve 2x plus 3 plus 2y minus 2 y dash equal to 0. Also show that the given differential equation is exact. So first we can show that this is exact. For that, here m is equal to 2x plus 3, n is equal to 2y minus 2, dou m by dou x is equal to 2 and dou n by dou y is equal to 2. That is dou m by dou x is equal to dou n by dou y. Therefore, given differential equation is exact. Now solution is integral of m dx plus integral of terms of y that does not contain x with respect to y is equal to c. That is 2x plus 3 dx plus 2y minus 2 dy is equal to c. That is x square. Integral of 2x is 2 into x square by 2, which is x square, plus 3x plus y square minus 2y is equal to c is the solution. So here m is equal to y cos x plus 2x e raised to y, and n is equal to sin x plus x square e raised to y minus 1. Dou m by dou y is equal to derivative of y cos x is cos x, 2x e raised to y is 2x e raised to y, and dou n by dou x, derivative of sin x is cos x, derivative of x square e raised to y is 2x e raised to y. That is dou m by dou y is equal to dou n by dou x Therefore, given differential equation is exact. Differential equation is exact. Now solution is integrate m dx plus integral of those terms of y, those terms of n that does not contain x with respect to y, which is equal to c. That is integral of y cos x plus 2x e raised to y plus that does not contain x is there is only one term minus 1. This is with respect to dx plus minus 1 dy is equal to c. Now this is integral of cos x is sin x plus integral of 2x is x square e raised to y minus y is equal to c is the solution.